What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make some ham and Swiss sliders just in time for NFL Championship Sunday. So, without further ado, let's slide on in, shall we? Slide, man, slide! That's right, baby. Ham and Swiss sliders. Now, you know what time it is, baby. It's NFL Championship weekend. And you know you're going to have yourself a big old party boy and you're going to have people over at the house. And you're going to get to drinking, you're going to be watching that game. And they're going to say, you know, I'm getting hungry, Black Owl, I'm getting hungry. But you won't have anything ready. Well, you can prevent that with this. This is the perfect little appetizer snack to have for your game day treats. And then you can kick back and sit there like Al Bundy with your beer and watch a football game. So, we're going to show you how to do this tonight. Simple and easy, straight to the point. I love it, baby. So, we've got these Kings Hawaiian Rolls. Now, as you can see, I've already kind of got some assembled here, but I'm going to show you how to do it the right way tonight. So, first take your Kings Hawaiian Rolls. And the great thing about these is they're already done when you get them. Now, of course, you could make homemade rolls if you wanted to, or go get something else like a brioche bun, but you know me, I get tired of that shit. So, I'm not going to do that today. But what I want you to do is take your Kings Hawaiian and get you a knife, and I want it to be a good sharp knife, sir, because you don't want to tear your buns. No! That's, you don't want it. So, take your knife and cut carefully down, sir. Don't be gentle now, because you don't want a smoosh either. You want it to have a good shape. You want it to be even on both sides. So, once you get that thing cut, open her up and lay her out flat. Now, let's move on to the next, but before we do, whoa! I gotta get me another drink. Woo! That's good stuff. Now, tonight, you know, somebody told me in the comments, they said, Black Owl, when you're drinking the beers, you gotta tell us what you're drinking because we wanna know. We wanna run out and get what you're drinking because you make it look so good. So, tonight I'm drinking some Sequence Ale. Now, this is Dogfish Head Sequence Ale. It's like a sour lime beer. It's good stuff. And I've actually done a beer review on it. I'll put the link to that down below. Did that a while ago. But I'm happy to have them again tonight. So, one more. Oh, yeah. So, we've got our roll cut. Now, let's add the meats. And like I say, you know there's tons of sliders out there, baby. There's probably as many sliders as there are teams in the NFL. But I'm going to show you how to make the ham and Swiss tonight. So, go ahead and get your ham, that old Wilbur, and we're going to take it and fold it up. Now see, because we got the small roll here, you don't want it to, you know, fall off the side and none of that shit. You want that good. So, we will take this, and what I want you to do is fold your ham in half, and then fold it in half again. And that's going to make you a little ham triangle, a little flag from the Ham Nation. So, we're going to put that on there. And you can use one slice, you can use two. Me, I'm gonna double up, baby boy. But you know, you only need about 2 slices. The great thing about doing this fold here is it's gonna feel like you got a big old lot of ham on there, but you really don't. Just a little bit. And like I said, I'm using the old lunch meat tonight. You can get some better ham, you can do what you want to do, but that's you. So, ooh, that Sequence is gamey. So, next, let's move on to the cheese, because you didn't think we was going to have a slider without no cheese, boy. It's ham and Swiss, and you know it's a Swiss when it's got the bullet hole in it, baby, like Pierce Brosnan been walking around. So, we are going to take our cheese and put 2 slices of that on there too. Now, what I've done first of all is go ahead and take this cheese and I kind of cut it up into little squares so that it's going to fit on our sandwich here. So, put your cheese on there. You want it to cover all that ham, baby. You know, that's ham to ham coverage, like old Frank Clark out there, baby. Yeah! You know, I'm getting, you know who I'm rooting for. So, we're going to put that cheese on there. Go ahead and get your top bun, top roll, whatever the hell you want to call it. And slap that sucker on there, right there. So, once you get all of those assembled, lined up, good. What I want you to do next is get your butter, baby. And today, I've got some of that Kerrygold again. I went down for the wee little leprechaun I got it from him. So, we, we'll take this Kerrygold and put it in here and melt it. And you say, Black Owl, I couldn't find the Kerrygold. It's just regular butter. I couldn't find Kerrygold. Well, good thing for you, baby. All you got to do is take a little bit of regular butter, put a little garlic salt, and a little Italian seasoning in there. You'd be good to go. But lucky me, I went and saw the Leprechaun, so I've got my Garigo tonight. I went ahead and got that melted up. I put it in this bowl, and I'm going to use a spoon. Now, you know, gourmet Bobby Flay's ass would probably use the brush. Me, I ain't got no damn brush, and I ain't got no time, so I'm going to use a spoon. Don't use too much, but you want to use a good amount. And you want to just drizzle a little bit on top of that thing right there. Now, once you get your drizzling done, take your spoon and kind of smooth her out. And you see that good color on there, baby? Ooh, my goodness gracious, it's going to give it that good garlic buttery flavor, sir. So, once you got all your rolls buttered, I want you to go ahead and put them in the oven for about 15-20 minutes just to melt the cheese. Now, that's what you're going to do because that's what I suggest that you do. It tastes good that way. But me, I get time for that shit. I'm trying to watch that game. So, I'm just going to put them in the microwave and nuke them, just kind of melt that cheese a little bit. And when I'm done doing that, we'll come back and take a look and take a bite and say hut hut hike for these Swiss and ham sliders tonight. So, yeah. Alright, baby, the time has come. The ham and Swiss slider is done. And I'm having that first bite for me. So, here we go. Ooh, yeah, baby. Got a good smell to it already. So, I know it's going to be good. Mmm. Heaven. Oh! Wonderful, baby. All those flavors in there together, that sweet Hawaiian roll, and that butter, and that ham, and that cheese. You know, it's like a great football team. Everybody's playing together to accomplish that goal, baby. And you've succeeded, so wonderful, baby. And all of you are just wonderful, too. And I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe, and follow me on social media. Now, you can watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. So, I will see y'all next time. Enjoy the game, baby. Go Chiefs. And I will see you next time around. So, excuse me.